At Corr, our residents are cared for and happy in our peaceful little corner of Chesterfield County. We understand that things happen and there's no telling where life's journey will lead you. With that in mind, we created Life Care, the perfect solution for seniors who are independent today but are seeking the peace of mind to know their future healthcare needs are covered. At Corr, we're here every step of the way. It's easy to transition in our continuum care community from one style of living to the next. With assisted living and long-term care guaranteed, you'll never become a burden to the ones you love most. Our experienced nurses are skilled in medicine, schooled in compassion, and available 24 hours a day. So, what exactly is Life Care? Think of Life Care as a one-time, all-inclusive plan where you set your budget once and never worry about it again. Even if you require a higher level of care later in your life, your monthly fees remain the same. Beginning at independent living and through the continuum of care, no matter what, Corr has you covered for life. And with Life Care, you're protected against the rising out-of-pocket costs should your potential health needs ever call for pricey measures. So not only are you investing in your future, but you're saving money as well. When your experience at Corr begins, Life Care ensures that you will always receive the best, most compassionate care no matter where life leads you. When situations change, we make it easy to transition from one style of living to the next. So say goodbye to your worries and live life to the fullest, knowing that our skilled nurses and accommodating staff will always be here for you at Corr. Corr, care that continues with you.